Mechanical keyboards can be pricey, but we found the best ones at the lowest prices. After researching multiple marketplaces, we've put together a list of the top 5 mechanical keyboards that offer the best value. Don't waste time searching, watch the video and check out the links in the description and pinned comment for the best deals available. Let's get started. Starting of our list at number 5, Mad Lions MAD 68. Designed for professional and competitive gaming, the Mad Lions MAD 60 magnetic switch mechanical keyboard delivers exceptional precision and speed. With its advanced magnetic switch technology, this custom MAD 68 wired keyboard provides rapid response and smooth keystrokes. The MAD 60 and MAD 68 models are tailored for gamers seeking high-performance hardware with customizable features. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long gaming sessions, while its durable construction guarantees longevity. Ideal for esports enthusiasts, this keyboard makes a perfect addition to any gaming setup. Here is the item number 4, MCHOS ACE 68. The MCHOS ACE 68 magnetic keyboard is a wired mechanical keyboard optimized for gaming with the ACE 60 Pro system. It features an ultra-sensitive 0.01mm rapid trigger for instant key actuation. With an 8000 Hz polling rate and a sampling rate of 128 kHz, it delivers highly responsive performance. The input delay is minimized to 0.125 milliseconds, ensuring rapid execution of commands. The keyboard also includes simultaneous opposite cardinal direction (SOCD) and reset functionalities, making it an excellent choice for competitive gaming. The item number 3, Attack Shark X68 The Attack Shark X68 is a cutting-edge magnetic mechanical keyboard optimized for esports gaming. It supports an 8000 Hz polling rate, ensuring extremely low latency. With a real-time accuracy of 0.01mm and a scan rate of 128,000 per second, it offers precise input recognition. The vibrant RGB lighting adds to its aesthetic appeal, while the magnetic switch technology enhances durability and responsiveness. Engineered for professional gaming, this keyboard delivers fast response times and smooth operation, making it ideal for high-speed competitive play. Number 2 in our list, Ajaz AK820. The Ajaz AK820 Max is a high-performance tri-mode gaming mechanical keyboard, designed to enhance the gaming experience. It offers 3 connectivity options: Bluetooth, wireless 2.4 GHz, and Type-C, ensuring flexibility for different setups. Featuring 82 precision-engineered keys with durable PBT keycaps, it provides a premium typing feel. The hot-swappable switch design allows easy customization without soldering. Equipped with vibrant RGB lighting, it delivers immersive visuals. Optimized for personal computers, this keyboard ensures smooth and responsive performance for gamers. The top one in our list, Aula F99. The Aula F99 gaming mechanical keyboard is a high-performance keyboard designed for both gaming and professional typing. With 99 keys, it offers a compact yet functional layout. It supports 3 connection modes: 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and a wired USB connection, ensuring flexibility. The hot-swappable switches allow easy customization without soldering. Featuring a gasket-mounted structure, it delivers a soft keystroke feel with reduced noise. The polybutylene terephthalate (PBT) keycaps provide a smooth and durable surface. The RGB backlighting offers customizable effects, making it visually appealing for any setup. If you found this video helpful in choosing the best mechanical keyboard from a wide range of options, don't forget to leave a like. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share your opinion and let us know which keyboard you think is the best fit for you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest reviews and updates on various products.